Hey guys, today we're going to go through Micro 9 disassembly and assembly. So we always want to make sure that we are starting with a cleared pistol here. So go ahead and confirm clear by locking that slide back and performing a physical and visual check. Go ahead and drop that slide down. And position your hand so you can draw the slide back. Line up that slide stop notch with the slide stop. Push on the slide stop pin to pop it out and pull it out the opposite side. And now you can remove the slide assembly from the frame. Go ahead and remove the guide rod and recoil spring. And finally the barrel from the slide. First, feed the barrel into the slide. Next, if you have a flat recoil spring, you can seat either end towards the guide rod base. If you do not have a flat recoil spring, seat the closed end towards the guide rod base. Place the guide rod and recoil spring assembly into the slide, making sure it seats up against the barrel cam lug. Next, place the slide assembly on the frame rails. Be sure to push the ejector down to clear the path of the slide. Move the slide rearward about 1/8 of an inch. Place the slide stop into the slide stop hole, and the slide stop will drop into the barrel cam lug. Take care to avoid scratching the frame. Draw the slide back until the disassembly notch on the slide lines up with the back of the slide stop, and push gently down until it's seated, and let the slide down. It is important to check all functionality of the firearm anytime cleaning or maintenance is performed.
Crafting superior production firearms that are hand-finished and made in America. Synonymous with quality, precision, and excellence. Kimber is what all guns should be.